In today's video, we'll be using FibreCRM to look at how we can onboard new clients. I'll be logging on as Bob in the CRM, and we'll be requesting information to Anna, who will be using Gmail and answering the information via the client portal. So let's log on to the CRM and look at how that process works. So we're looking at Anna's record. We can see that the mobile number is missing and we're at the onboarding stage. We'll have a look at the address and we can see that the postcode is missing, as well as the national insurance number and tax reference number. So we're going to send a form to Anna for her to fill in and provide the information for us. So we'll go onto the Actions menu and choose Client Information Request. At this stage we can choose which template we want to use. You can build your own templates, but in this case we've got two built. One of them is the Client Onboarding. And this particular form requests basic information. We want Anna to check this information. We can see the mobile number we don't have any data for in the CRM. We'd like her to check the address. We do need the postcode in order to onboard this client, so I'm going to make that particular field mandatory for Anna. And then we can also ask for identity information. We need the tax reference number and the national insurance number. We would also like her to upload a copy of a passport and a driving license and provide some additional information to help us do the anti-money laundering checks. So when we're happy with that, we're going to invite Anna to the portal. We can send her an email. This can come from anybody in your organisation. In this case, I want it to come from Bob. And I want the email that goes to Anna to be a standard template, which is Client Portal. We can see what that looks like by clicking on the preview. I've just spoken to Anna, so I'm just going to put a little personal note in here. And then we're going to send that to Anna now. So I'm now going to go to Anna's Gmail. So in a minute, an email is going to arrive. And then we can see the emails come into Anna's inbox. We can see the personal note with a link to the form for Anna to complete. So this takes her into the portal. She's never been into it before, so it's going to ask her for a password initially to log on. So she's going to enter in a password and then save that, and it'll then take her to the logon page where she can then put in her email address, password she's just created, and log on. Great, so she's now in the portal with the information that she needs to provide. We can put in the mobile number. Click next. If she wants to go back and edit the information, she can simply do that. The gender is incorrect, so she's going to change that to female. The postcode is mandatory, so we're going to put in the postcode. And then fill in the tax reference, which is mandatory again. The NI number. She can also upload a copy of a passport. This works really well on a mobile device because you can just use this camera on your phone to take a photo, but in this case I've got some saved scans, so I'm going to pick a passport and then save that. Now she could log off, log back on later, but once she submits the information, that comes into the CRM for validation. Okay, so let's jump back into the CRM. I'm going to refresh the screen. Now what we should see is that although that information hasn't updated the CRM yet, it gives us the option to validate it first. So there's going to be a big alert on the screen to say Anna has submitted some information. We can see a big green button saying View Returned Information. We're going to have a look at that, and we can see that anything in green Anna's changed. So we can see she's added a mobile number, she's corrected an error in our CRM, she's added a postcode, and she's also going to be uploading a passport as well as tax information. So we're going to copy that to the CRM, we're going to accept it all. We could choose to not accept the passport and just import everything else, but in this case we're going to add everything we need. So as we can see, the mobile number has now been added to the CRM. The postcode has been added. And we also have the national insurance number and tax reference number, as well as the corrected gender. And in the sensitive data module, which can be hidden from most CRM users, just may be available for the money laundering officer within the organisation, but we can have a look at the sensitive information as well. And we can see there's a passport that has been uploaded to the CRM. We can have a look at that passport. And that's it. Thanks for watching.